4 home remedies for instant relief from back pain. Almost everyone suffers from backache at some point in their lives. The good news is that there are quite a few methods which can help in relieving the pain and get your back on track. The 5 home remedies for instant relief from back pain are: 1. Hot and cold packs. Alternating between hot and cold packs may help in reducing the soreness and pain in people with acute back pain. Using cold packs can help in temporarily blocking pain signals and even reduce swelling to a certain extent. After 2 days, you can switch to a towel dipped in warm water to get rid of the pain. 2. Massage. A lot of people underestimate the relief that rubbing the aching area brings. You can ask someone to massage your back with some therapeutic oil for immediate relief. It increases the blood flow to the back area and reduces your pain. 3. Exercise. When you go for a walk and do some stretching, it releases endorphins, which reduces the perception of pain. Doing simple exercises such as touching your toes and the cobra pose will help ease your back pain. 4. Eucalyptus oil. In a bucket full of lukewarm water, add a few drops of eucalyptus essential oil. Taking a bath with this water will not only ease your backache but will also calm your nerves. So these are the 4 home remedies for get instant relief from back pain.